the Weather Authority.
All right, adding to the rainfall totals here across central and east Kentucky, really statewide, this has been a fantastic stretch of rainfall, helping with the ongoing drought conditions. And we're seeing some higher totals that have been showing up over the last 24 hours, especially getting into western parts of the state. Here in central Kentucky, we're talking some rain amounts between a ½ inch upwards to an inch plus of rain over the last 24 hours, only adding to our totals. Very beneficial as far as rainfall has been concerned. And we do have a flood watch out. This was issued earlier, mainly along I-64 and points off to the north. Some of these areas here in central northern Kentucky pretty well saturated from a lot of the rain that we've had over the last 3, 4, 5 days. And because of that, we have a flood watch that remains in effect, and we could run into some localized high water issues, especially over the next 24 hours. Home view right now, you can see a mix of sun and some clouds pinning your location. We've had some storms moving through portions of central Kentucky, and now we're going to focus in on some more development working through this evening. Temperature-wise, low 70s here in central Kentucky, but look at south. We're talking upper 70s and lower 80s. That's where some of the warmth is and a lot of moisture, and that's going to provide some fuel for some more storms. As far as central Kentucky is concerned, we've had some heavier rainfall pushing through Georgetown. Folks there in Harrison County getting in on some light to moderate rainfall. Stronger storm we've been watching closely, eastern Clark County now. This is just east of Winchester, right along the Parkway. Heavy rainfall, gusty winds, lightning. This particular cell has been showing a little bit of weak rotation with us, so that's one we're watching closely, and we'll do so over the next little bit. More isolated in nature as far as activity is concerned across far eastern Kentucky on the drier side to our south, and once again a stronger storm just outside of Russell Springs, and this one looks like it's going to stay just north and west of the city there, but tracking northeastward. So folks there, Casey County, heads up. More than likely some rain and storms heading your way over the next 30 to 45 minutes. Big picture showing stalled out boundary across the region. Focal point for storm development today. And as we get into your Wednesday, plenty of moisture in place, storm fuel ahead, and then a cold front that starts to dive south and eastward. As it does so, interacting with an environment that's going to provide more rain and storm chances working through midweek. This is part of the next big thing we've been tracking out for you, this unsettled pattern, and it looks to continue. Spotty downpours remain possible overnight tonight, getting into tomorrow morning. More isolated activity in nature through early tomorrow afternoon, and then this cold front starts to make its move southward. As it does so, we're expecting a line of some scattered showers and storms, and a few of these could be on the stronger side, packing some gusty winds, some heavy rainfall and lightning. Cold front will push and clear the area. Getting into your Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, some clouds will try to stick around, but we're trending somewhat drier. Good news there. As far as rainfall potential over the next couple, 3 days or so, we're talking a ½ inch upwards to 3/4 of an inch in spots. Some locally higher amounts on the table, especially if you get caught some of those storms tracking over the same areas. Now, as far as temperatures are concerned, we start to dry things out. Thursday getting into your Friday, only a stray shower possibility to our south and southwest. Otherwise, temperatures starting to cool off, but it looks like some dry time really starting to show up late this month, getting to early June. Much needed after this unsettled stretch we've had. But again, it's been great because we've certainly needed the rainfall. 7-day forecast showing temperatures middle and upper 70s this weekend. Notice how we're trending drier, and look at early next week. Sunshine returning with pleasant highs in the 70s. Keep it right here. Sports are coming up after the break.